Lolo.
Okay, game na.
Anong pangalan ng rep na yan, sir?
Si Anthony.
Let's go.
Running time tayo.
Double kill pala si Paul eh. Pakita ka na lang po yung ikaw, Pintas. Yung next na tawag is technical. Wala nang warning, technical na agad. Talaro ka ba, Tristan? Talaro ka ba? O tanggal mo na ito mo siya.
Laro ka ba, Jackson? Cheer lang, cheer lang. Wala nga, dito na makakita.
Sambara Sports. Sa inyong ano ng Cobras?
Dito na.
Dito sa kabila yung Cobras?
Ballester.
Dito yung ano ng Cobras?
Oh, dito yung bench namin.
Oh, tama pala. It's a Frank.
Ba't ano? Ba't light siya ano? Wala kang light, par?
Hoy, ang pogi! Sir naman dyan, sir! Dante Gulapa. Na-mesmerize si Christian, ibibigay niya yung tip over na yan. See, sabi ko sa'yo, na-mesmerize. Uy, backward. Backward. Backward violation by... Alright, so runs. Chester, easy basket, no good. Unang rebound. Si Ron. Ron. Foul. Who's foul, ref? Chester. First personal foul, first team foul.
So pag sila pumak sa kanilang dagdag yun?
Sa kapila, yung Sports.
Dalawa na.
Ano yun?
Dalawa na sa...
Dalawa na, no? Sino yung isa? Sino yung isa? Gusto mo ba mag-camera ka na lang?
Wala, isa pa lang doon eh.
Dalawa na, dalawa.
Dalawa na yung foul.
Hindi, tapos yung isa.
Hindi, dalawa na. Dalawa.
Dalawa na.
Zoren, ikaw yung foul kanina? Sino yung foul na isa kanina? Yung isa?
Yung una dito. Sino yung nakasalabay? Si Aiku.
Yung kanina sa gitna.
Rebound by Ron. Pass to Randy. Randy will try three. No good. Rebound by Wendell. Wendell is 2 points. Chester looking. Pass to Zoren. Zoren. Pass to Gray. Walang babaan ng bola. Rebound by Randy. Randy. Baba daw, baba. Sabi ng Amerikano, nag-usap pa kayo? Baba. Rance will try 3. No good. Rebound by who? Last 2 points foul, Fred. Fred, ano pangalan na? Janus? Ken. 2 points. points. Foul Wendell. Kasi ano? Si Fred.
Gulat si Wendell, oh.
Kent. Last shot. No good. Rebound by Aiku. Aiku. Pass to Chester. Chester. Kick out to Zoran. Zoran. To Christian. Christian. Hinali-hali. Hoy. Zoran pumukol ng 3. Basket is good. Assist by Christian. Aiku, rebound by Aiku, kick out to Chester, Chester, 1-2, same ball. Fred will inbound, 2-3 zone. Kick out to Chester, to Zoran, Zoran will try again for 3, no good, turnover, out of bounds. Engineer, pass to Wendell. Wendell, uy, bagong galing sa Pinas. Fresh na fresh. Wendell, tumatak. To his left, block by Chester. Rebound by Randy. Randy will try 3, no good. Rebound by Christian. Christian, pass to Zoran. Zoran, to Aiku. Aiku, diyoyo yung bola. Loose foul ref, baseline. Number 10. Number 13. 20, number 20. Si Engineer. Suron. Foul again by another. No count. Same. Same. 30. 13. 10. Baseline, Fred to Chester. Chester, kick out to Fred. It's a steal by Rance. Rance, hinagis kay Wendell. Wendell will drive. Ali-ali, oy! Rebound by Ron. Ron. Hold. Umatak. No good. Rebound by Christian. Christian to Zoran. Zoran to Aiku. Foul again, Ron. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Two shots for Bagong Chupet, 150. 150. Sa ilalim ng train. First try niya Aiku, basket is good. Nag-training yan sa KC. Ibang training pala. Aiku, another one. Another one. Bagong Chupet. Rance will bring down the ball. Team captain. Rance. Randy to Rance. Rance. Oh, still by Christian. Hinagis kay Zoran. Kick out again. Chester, pinalibag. Still by Rance. Rance will bring down to Randy. Randy. To Wendell. To Ron. Ron perimeter. No good. Rebound by Aiku. Aiku will look. Pass to Zo. Zo. Inali-ali, hoy! Putik na. Christian. Behind. Fred. To Aiku. Aiku will try 3. Nagad! Nagad! Rance. Rance. Check. 2-3 zone. Binigay kay Randy. Randy will try 3. No go. Rebound by Aiku. Aiku will look. Pass to Chester. Chester. Pass to Wendell. It's a steal by Wendell. Wendell. Binigay na screen. Again. To Randy. Randy. Nagis. No good. Rebound by Wendell. Wendell. Kick again. To Ron. Ron. Perimeter. No good. Rebound by Fred. Fred to Christian. To Zo. Zo. Pinabantayan ni Rance. Binantayan ni Kent. Hinagis kay Chester. Chester underneath, 2 points. Assist by Zoren.
Ayusan mo siya, no? Si Jet. Ayusan mo pagka-foul.
Rance. Binigyan na screen. Went inside. Pinasa kay Ted. Ted, foul, Christian. Foul, Spartan, number 33, Christian. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. And pinagis kay Randy. Randy. Oy! Traveling! Masyadong mabilis. Advance mag-isip. Nahuli ng inspector. Walang Mikey. Huli ka man ball. Chester. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Binigyan ng screen sa kaliwa. Kumata sa gitna. Pinasa. Trinapas. Nagdali-dali. Hoy! Aiku! 2 points. Last assist by Fred. Wendell to Randy. Randy to Wendell. Wendell, binigyan na screen. Went inside. Drop pass to Randy. Randy will try. Still strong. Hindi makakunik si Randy. Still, almost a steal. Miscommunication by defense. Last 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Naman po ang Spartan by 5. To Zoren. Zoren looking on the 2-3 zone, calling out the shots. Binigay kay Chester. Chester pump fake, going to his right, attacking, sidestep, 2 points. Ganda namin. Ganda ng Euro times. Randy. Laki na po na. Randy. Oy, Rance! Went inside! Sabi na, akin na to, sir. Walang score, akin na to. 2 points by Rance. Last 2 minutes. No more timeout, no more sub. Chester will call on the 2-3 zone. Pass to Zoren. Zoren will try 3. No good. Rebound by Wendell. Binump sa macho puwet ni Fred. Medyo matigas. Ang tigas ng bola. Grabe. Juicy. Juicy couture. Parang simento lang. Parang trabaho lang kay Fred. Hoy! Nali-ali! Hoy! Ron? To Wendell. Wendell will try 3. No good. Palto. Ron will try perimeter. That's good. That's rebound. Engineer, 2 points, plus rebound. Sino ba nag-assist? Oy! It's the steal by Rance. Nagkabanggaan. 2 points, plus steal by Rance. Inagis to Fred. Uy, isa na lang alamang. Last 50 seconds. Inagis kay Fred to Chester. Too strong. But it went in. Inagis kay Randy. Rance, 2 points. Wala. Chester will bring in. Oy, diten! Pero umabot. Mukha lang diten. Last 30 seconds. Randy. Going to his left. Kick out to Ron. Ron, tumalot. 5 plus 2 points. Foul by Zoren. Zoren, first personal foul. Penalty rep, penalty. 9 seconds to shoot. Last shot by Randy. Last shot by Ron. Last shot. All good.
Yan na.
Boss Emmy. Boss Emmy. Ganit sa ng bola, sa ng free, sa ng ano.
Start mo na. Start na. Oh.
Nag-backward. Nag-backward yung ano light. Nag-backward yung light.
Hey, back to the ball.
Running time, next 5, pasok, next 5.
Back to the ball.
Ayaw, mamaya na si Jax.
Back to the ball game.
Ano reset yung foul?
Foul?
Pinipito sila sa loob.
Jackson, first try of the night. It's good. Assist by Errol.
Ay, gago. Di nakuha, Jackson. Sorry. Kinakausap kasi ako ni Jel.
Gray. No good. Di pala si Gray to. Rebound by Jackson. Pinasa kay Errol. Oh, I will try again. No. Kick out to Ja. LeBron. Rebound by Wendell. Pass to Randy. Randy going in. Randy to his left. Kick out to Gray. Gray will try to. Basket is good. Oy! Warning. Warning, Kent. Bawal yan, sir. Hindi yan casual.
13-13.
2 points for Gray. Errol, bagong supit. Pass to Jackson. To Nash. Nash. Yabantayan ni Randy. Umikot.
Tira.
To Tristan. Let's go. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Yellow. Sino to? Ano pangalan niya, sir? Ano pangalan niya, Wendell? Yung naka-yellow? Janus. First team foul, first personal. Steal by Wendell. Wendell, pinapantay ni Tristan. Sasabit kaya. Ay, it's an offensive illegal hand.
Pass the ball, pass the ball.
Foul, foul.
May foul.
Walang ano.
Foul. Tristan, baseline. First team foul, first personal foul by Tristan. 16-18, lamang lang ng dalawa. To Randy. Randy will try 3. No good. Rebound by Gray. Gray. Easy basket. Easy basket. Last 2 points. Oh, it's a line violation by LeBron. By LeBron. Kent. Kent. To Randy. Randy will try it. Wala pa rin talaga. Hindi makakulit si Randy. Rebound by Errol. 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 Back to James. James on the 2-3 zone. Tunay. Inatake lahat. Kumangga-mangga. No good. Rebound by light ball. Light ball. Ken. To Wendell. Wendell. Oy! Foul again, Tristan. Second personal foul, second team foul. Tristan. Oy, Randy will try. Ayaw na tumira. Ayaw na tumira ng idol. Ayaw na. Ito si Wendell, titira yan. Rebound by Nash. Nash, check. Pass to Errol. Errol, kick out to Jackson. Will go to his left. To LeBron. LeBron to his left. Zigzag. No good. Tabla. Grabe. Second lineup. Walang ano ah. Walang score nila. Ano tayo abot ng 100 yan, sir? Wendell. To Janus. To Wendell. To Randy. Randy will try again. Still no good. Rebound by Errol. Errol will look. Pass to Nash. Nash will run in the middle. Binabantayan ng Wendell. Wendell. 2 points by Nash. Court to court by Commissioner. Wendell will attack to his right. Check. Still dribbling. Pinigyan na screen. Kinik out kay Janus. Janus will try 3. Still off. Second try ni Janus. Still no good. Errol. To Tristan. Back to Errol.
Time out doon.
To Tristan. To Nash. Nash will go inside. no foul. Rebound by LeBron. Foul, plus 2 points. Ready, timeout, Trev. Ready, timeout. Timeout, Trev, timeout.
Hindi ko mahanap. LeBron pa nakalagay. Ay, hindi.
Trev, Boss Anthony, sinong foul? Number 2. Sino yung number 2?
Gray.
Si Gray. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Nahanap ko si James eh.
Back in the ball game in 8:30
Back
seconds.
to the ball game.
Basket count no, boss? Last shot by James. LeBron James. LeBron. No good. Rebound by Gray. Gray will call the shot. Pass to Rance. Rance, pinalik kay Gray. To Janus. Janus on the third attempt. Malakas naman this time. Rebound by Kent. No good. Rebound by Ron. Ron, perimeter. Hinagis. Still no good. Rebound by Errol. Sabi ni Errol, kalma. Baby, kalma. 2-3 zone. Jackson will try 3. Cabo. Assist by Errol. Lumalayo na po yan lamang by 7 points. Rance. Papawiin kaya ni Rance. Umikot. Binawi nga ni Rance. Oh, it's a block. It's a block. Okay. Umata. Rebound by Ron. Ron, binigay kay Rance. Rance will try 3. Bang! Assist by Ron. 3 points by Rance. Assist by Ron. LeBron to Nash. Oy! 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 Ron, third personal foul. 13 foul. Ron, 13 foul. Two shots for Commissioner. First try, basket is good.
Susunod daw sa kanya.
Tutok sa sayo? Tutok ka sayo?
Ganun yan eh. Susunod sa kanya pag galang.
Hindi, di na ano yung
Grabe
shoot mo
naman
kanina.
na, pagka tumitira lang yung camera.
Tututok sa kanya.
Mr. Nash on a second attempt. Basket is good. 27, 2-1. Rance.
Dalawa pumasok.
Oh, dalawa. Rance will attack. Joke lang, di pa today. Ken? Sabi wala, anong nangyari? Rance. Pass to Janus. Janus! Rebound by Gray. Gray to Ron. Foul, Tristan. Third personal foul. Tristan. Mukhang pa-foul out si Tristan ah.
Balik na, 5 minutes na.
Baliktad yung foul mo.
Tristan. Third personal foul. 14 foul, sir. Ron, engineer. No good, engineer. Sukatin na yan ng ano? Ano yun? Triangle ruler. Ayun na, sinukat na. Sinukat na ni engineer. Ayun! Sinukat na nga ni engineer. Basket is good for Ron. Errol, bringing down the ball. To Jackson. Jackson, kick out to Ron. Errol, pass to Nash. Nash will attack. Ginagis kay Jackson. Jackson, bakante. Rebound by Rance. Rance. Wala. Rebound by Gray. Gray pump fake to his left. Kinaliwa. Basket is good. Basket is good. Assist by Rance. Gray. Nash. Check. Pinagka kay Rod na meron ng foul. Errol. To Tristan. Tristan. Nako! Grabe na tira na yun! Lagis! Umuusog yung ano yung range. Two guys, first foul, Tristan!
Lipat yung ring, lipat.
Personal foul, Tristan!
Hindi pala yun.
Sakit na ba yan, sir? Sakit na natin? Sakit na? Sakit na? Isa ba? Substitution rep, substitution.
Warning na.
Warning for graduation, Tristan. Labas na uli niya, fourth quarter.
Penalty. Warning na ba siya? Tama pa lang. Dapat na. Grabe si Tristan, no?
Last shot by Gray. Uy, isa pa uli. Masyadong advance, sir. Mainit kayo. Magpalamig muna kayo, sir. Yun, dapat release daw muna ang bola. Okay, boys, release muna. Kung tatawagan talaga yan. Huwag masyadong eager. That's it. Basket is good. For Gray. Tabla na uli, sir. Another tie. Chester. To Errol. Errol, wala pang bigaw ah. To Jake. Oy, traveling, sir. Kitang-kita. Kitang-kita yung traveling. Kitang-kita ang traveling. Hindi kasi sanay si James sa kanan. Kaliwa lang. Oh, still by James. Chester. Hinagis kay Jackson. Jackson. Kick out. Ito Errol. Errol will call. Jackson. Uy, bumitaw. Don't be kamo. Assist by Jackson. Rance. Kick out to Ron. Ron, perimeter. Oh, lakas ng rebound ni Gray. 15 by Gray. Plus 2 points. Chester. Oy, pumasok. Grabe si Chester. No more sub, no more time out. Hinagis kay Rance. Foul, Rance. Good call.
Parang hindi.
Parang hindi ata. Hindi ata, ewan ko.
Nilagay ko na eh.
Oo, yes.
Warning for penalty. Errol will bring down the ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Binigay kay Chester. Chester looking on the 2-3 zone. Dinayre. Sabi, pasok ko sa loob. Chester. Binigay kay Jackson. Jackson pupulagin. Kabog! Assist by Chester. Sir, magbukas nga ng pinto. So, mananggaling yung bakit doon.
Nakakaya na ng bakit yun. Nakabukas na rin pala.
Rance will try 3. Kabog din. Assist by who? Hindi ko nakita yung assist. 55 seconds. Chester will attack. No good. Rebound by Gray. Gray will run. Gray, nagulawin yung bola. Good, good. Gray. Inalioy. Rebound pa rin ni Gray. To Ron. Ron. Too strong. Pero na to si Ken. Andun ulit si Gray. Wala. Foul, Ron. 4th personal foul by Ron. 4th personal foul, Ron. Penalty, sir. Penalty, penalty. Penalty, penalty. Grabe, second quarter pa lang. Meron na rin yung 4. Umaayuda.
Wala nang oras.
2 shots, 4.
Parisit nga, ihilang ako.
First try by Nash. No good. Second try by Nash.
Ilang kayo?
Still no good.
game. 1, 2, 3.
Akala ko titira mo kaya nandun ako.
So, I've seen such a long time. Yeah. It's been Saturday, Friday night. Friday. I haven't since this.
Are you playing too? Huh?
We're the same team.
Oh, really? So happy. Okay.
Back to the ball game. Raise it ng foul set. Reds bring down the ball to Randy. Randy will try this time. Still no good by Randy. 7 out of 0. 0 out of 7 for Randy. Chester. Bigay kay Aiku. To Chester. Chester calling. Chester. Christian. No good. Oy! Same ball. Nag-fumble si Randy. Malamig ata ang kamay ni Randy today, sir. Malamig ang kamay ni Randy. May mga basket. May mga punang rebound. Oy! Almost a steal by Gray. And almost a putback. Points, points, points. Oy! An offensive foul by Aiku. Libre. Libre. Libre yun, libre. Wendell. Pass to Rance. Rance. Mahilig yan si Rance ngayon. Nakadalawang 3 points na. To Janos. Oy! Almost a steal. Rance. Kick out to Wendell. Wendell, every ball. Pinasa kay Chester. Steal by Chester. Natapik. Zorin. Foul. Wendell pass. 2 points. 32-37. Lamang pa rin po ang Rasports. Yes sir, huli. Foul Wendell. Ready backs. Last shot by Zoran. Zoran will try. Maging 38 kaya. No good. Oh, rebound by Aiku. Power rebound by Aiku plus 2 points. Great. Bringing down the ball. Will call the shot. Great. Oh, bigyan na lang tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Janus. Janus, perimeter. No good. Rebound by... Oh, dark ball. Nasipa daw ni Rance, sabi ni referee Anthony Albanese. Zoran. To Chester. Chester to Aiku. To Christian. Bumaga. Christian. To Chester. Chester. Oh, it's illegal defense. Illegal screen by Aiku. Aiku, third personal foul. Lumahabol kay Tristan. Ayun na. Lumahabol din si Aiku. Rance. Going to his left. Oh, yung attack bigla. Block by Aiku.
Sub.
Ready sub, ref. Ready sub. Papindot sir. Sub, Aaron. Yan o. Okay. Isa pa, patay na ni Tristan.
Okay lang. Okay, bawi.
Last 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Inbound by Rance to Gray. Gray to Rance. Rance floater, high floating. Line ball, Christian. Same ball, like.
Cutter! Gitna! Cutter!
Reds. Oy, still by Lebron. Lebron, tumatakbo. Kinaliwa. Ay, matik yan. Foul, Wendell. Wendell, ilang foul na si Wendell, sir? Second personal foul, Wendell. 2 shots. 2 shots. Lebron, basket is good. Second shot. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. 32-40 lamang ng 8. Last shot. Oy, almost a rebound. Rebound by Janus. Pass to Wendell. Wendell. Oy, huli. Good. Kuha ni Jan. Traveling, sir. Traveling. Umangat ang pivot. Ha? Warning for technical. Too much complaint. Too much complaint. Runs. Warning for technical.
Delaying them. Table ba?
Rep, Anthony, magkaiba ba yung delaying at saka yung complaint? Oh. LeBron. Rebound by Christian. Christian? Ito na ko yun, laki nila. Malaki itong mga to ah. Rebound by Janus. Gray. Gray. Going to his left. Almost a steal. Uy, kumanan. Kumanan! Finally, uy! Basket is good. Court to court by Mr. Gray. 50 Shades of Gray. Love you like you do. Zoran, 6 na lang puli. Nash, pump fake, going to his right. Pinaliwa, to Christian. 2 points, assist by Nash. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Wendell.
Backdoor.
Wendell, looking, binigay kay Rance. Rance, going to his right. Pang-walong tira! Still no good. Wendell, no good. Rebound by Christian. Foul, Randy. Third personal foul, Randy. 13 foul. Oy, foul by Janus. Baseline. Warning for penalty, boss. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, Darth. Yeah. Oh, ibigay yan. Matik foul. 2 shots. Penalty na ref. Ready sub, ref. Ready sub. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Substitution.
Pipirmis ba yun?
2 shots for Nash. Unang tira, wala pa rin. Matulog ka na lang daw dyan, Nash. Take time. Take a break. Take a Kit Kat. Last shot by Nash. Nash, sinukat na. Sinukat na, wala pa rin. Pero nandito si Lebron. Mati kay Lebron yan. 2 points plus rebound. Ang laki ng Ready sub, ref. Ready sub. Rashfords. Ready sub. Spartan pala. Great. Kick out to Randy. Ayaw na. Ayaw na mga bola. Good. Walang shot clock. Shot clock, mamayang gabi pa. Wendell, kick out to Gray. Gray, nandun, sige. 2 points plus rebound. Chester. Lumalamig Nash, dribbling. Ay, pinapakita yung dribbling skill. Almost a steal.
Akala ko malamig. Steal na pala.
Who's foul ref?
Kaya pala malamig. Sila na pala.
What's going on, Sam? What's going on there? LeBron. Sam. Ayun na, si Aiko. Makakapag kaya? Makakapag kaya? Gagayahin kaya ni si Tristan. Ng isang quarter. 4. Wendell. Okay. Uy! Pang 9 tira. Still no good. Nash. Malamig talaga ang gabi ni Boss Randy. Hindi makakonect, pero baka sa 4th quarter yan. Baka sa 4th quarter titira yan.
Kaya pala malamig. Sila na pala.
Uy! Lebron! Tinayuan. Aiko, bumangga. Foul! Great! 2 shots. Yun, akala ko yung pito, offensive eh. Pang-4 sana yun. Gray. Ilan na si Gray? Second personal foul, penalty. Technical, labas mga player, labas. Labas. Technical. May isang foul yun, sir? Yung technical na yun? May isang foul pagka-technical? Isang foul, Wendell. Wendell, 4th personal foul. Wendell, patanggal ikaw. Oy, no good. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa ang cheat to Joy.
Isa ba?
Labas. Labas, labas, labas. Eh, technical uli kayo. Substitution, ref, substitution. Oy, pero pa ulit. Boss Anthony, ilang tawag?
3 shots plus possession.
May foul kasi. May foul kasi kanina.
3 shots.
Ayan. Gets na? Gets na mga player? Kaya kalma lang kayo, sir. Kalma lang. Aiko. Baldo. Tapos walang free throw. Okay. Free throw yung dalawa. Tapos technical. Okay, gets. Gets na, gets na. Thank you. Uy, ang tawag yun.
Yes. Acting.
Lapping. Hoy, si Jackson, tumira. No good. Rebound by Gray. Gray. Tumatakbo. Gray. Traveling, lifting violation. Tawag ni Boss Anthony. No more substitution. No more substitution.
Wala na sub.
No more sub. Nash will bring down the ball. Check. 36-45. Bunagis still wide. Rats. 2 points. Rats.
Beses ba yun?
Jackson will bring down the ball. Jackson. Bring down. Pass to Zoran. Zoran. Pinantayan ni Rance. Going to his left. Bumangga. 2 points for Zoran. Randy to Rance to Gray. Gray to
Ang inang announcer yan ha.
Ilang sa Lawrence. Lawrence. Wala. First shot ni Lawrence.
Sorry pala. Nag-iisip sila ba? Sorry. Nakalimutan ko. Sorry na. Hindi
20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Hindi ako mag-improve ito ba? Rants. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basket is good. Last assist by Rand. End of third quarter, 40-49. Balik na ulit, Tristan. Balik na ulit. Gamitin mo na yung
Okay.
isang goal.
Start.
Wait lang.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Tuloy-tuloy naman yan eh. Tuloy-tuloy dapat siya. Walang breaks.
Back to the ball game. Oy, maabot tayo ah. Ano ba? Fourth quarter na. 15 minutes and 20 minutes delay tayo. 20 minutes delay.
Sub ka, Paul. Ay, kailangan mag-sub.
Sub.
Jackson.
Ano naman niya?
Pass to Aiku.
Sila Billy.
Longpin. Oh, good. Rebound by Rance. Rance. 1-2. To Janus. Oh, good. Rebound by Rance. Still, another rebound by Randy. Wala talaga si Boss Randy. Wala talaga si Boss Randy ngayon. Grabe. Maalat. 0 field goals. Jackson. Oh, good. Rebound by Janus. Janus. Looking. Janus. To Gray. Fourth quarter na. Papasok na kaya meron tayong isa? Ganito lang daw sabi. Ganito lang mag-exit ng bola. Christian. Pass to Errol. Errol. Aigo! Last touch, Gray. Errol. Errol, kick out to Zoren. Zoren, going to his left. No good. Rebound by Rance. Pass to Janus. Janus too strong. Sunod ni Rance. Ako! Hindi ba kayo po? Ay, grabe! Malamig talaga. Ayan na. Oh, it's a charge! Lumabas yung kamay, lumabas yung kamay. Pinanghawi. Pinanghawi yung kamay ni Boss Randy. Kala ko, 2 points na eh. Errol. Zoren. Zoren. Pass to Jackson. Jackson to Malone. No good. Rebound by Gray. Gray. Almost. Ready up, Rem. Ready up. To break 2 points. Ready up, Rem. Ready up. Jackson. Kick out to Christian. Christian. To Errol.
May $20
To Zoren. Zoren will try to no good. Rebound by Aiku. Aiku. Rebound by Gray. 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 Pinalibag. Rebound pa rin ni Gray. Nice ball. Use ball ref. Substitution ref. 13. 33? 33 Christian. Christian, second personal foul. First team foul. Gray will shot 2.
Sila na pala kaya malamig.
Gray, no good. Lamang lang ng 7. Chester. Chester to Aiku. Aiku, wala pang bitaw sa tres yan si Aiku. Ayun! Rebound by Chris. Bumigay yung tuhod. Grabe, nakita. Bumigay yung tuhod. Kasi sino? Nakita, bumigay yung tuhod. Pero okay lang. Oy! Sa
Bola!
turnover by Wendell.
Supporter pa.
Grabe. Errol? O, babakoy, isa pa. Yun! So, wala. Malakas. Christian. Gray. Gray will attack. Easy basket para kay Gray yan. Oh, wala. Rans. Huli. Huli by Paul Randy. Ready sub, ready sub.
Wala pa.
Chester. Yan na. Uy, ginagamit na yung oras. Inihutakan na. Chester. Pasa to Dre. To Chester. Oh no! Backward. Boy! Chester to Dre. Dre will attack. Pinasa sa outbound. Walang tawag eh. Walang tawag. Hindi kita na rep. Ay, bakit yan? Oh, no! Nakita, hindi yung mga katawan ni James eh. Hindi yung mga katawan ni James.
Walang talon eh. Walang talon.
Hindi yung mga te. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Templar by Errol. Rans. Matagal ang bola. Uy, pagtuyuan. Grabe, nag-eye contact. Okay, take out to Wendell. Wendell will try the floating. Still no good. Roy! Nandun kay Randy. Randy? Natapay sa likod. Rans. To Gray. Basket is good. Assist by Rans. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Dre. Ready na nga? Ready time out, ref. Ready time out, dark. Dre. Uy, nag-uubos ng oras. Uy, ganda ng puneno yun. But too strong. Pero nandun si Kent. Rebound. Kent, will attack. Point straight! Wala. Ray, nandun. Ilalun mo lang plus 2 points. Foul, Errol. Time out. Back in the ball game in 6 minutes.
Last quarter.
Baba na ng score mo ngayon, no? Dati, maabot ng 100 eh. Bumaba na yung score.
Maganda depensa nila.
Masyado nang gumaling.
Lakas depensa.
Siling na yung mga ano.
Back to the ball game, man. Back to the ball game. Last shot, Aiku. Ay, hindi. Si ano pala? Si Gray pala. Last shot, Gray. Ayan na, bumalik na ulit yung mga big man. Grabe, palaki yan eh. Ganun talaga pag ano eh. Palaki yan. Extra rice.
Ganun na lang yung... Scout dyan.
Last shot by Gray. Oh, malapit lang. Wala. Oy, ano tawag, ref? Holding. Sino, sir?
Oh? Anspo? Anspo.
Aspo. 2 shots plus ball possession. team foul. 2 shots by LeBron.
Hindi yung na-foul.
Hayaan nyo ah. Stop time ba yan o tuloy?
First try, no good.
Sa gilid, galingan nyo.
LeBron, last shot, last ball possession.
10 sila mamaya.
No good. Ubos ang 1 minute.
Hold to po sa start.
Wala. Lima lang sir, 5 lang. 2 3 points lang ni Randy yan. Ayan, nagbumas ng oras. Chester. To Zoran. Zoran will try 3. No good. Rebound by Rance. Rance. To Kent. Inagis. Still by Zoc. Zoran. Wala. Ayaw pala kumukuha ng isa. Rebound by Kent. Wendell. Foul. Blocking.
Ganda ng steal.
Holding foul, Chester. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. May stop to kasi less than 10 points.
2 minutes daw.
Oh, 2 minutes. Less than below. 2 minutes and below. Great perimeter, no good. Rebound by Wendell. Foul by Chester. Reaching foul, Chester. Parehas na. Almost. Alamos din na naman ni Zoran. Foul! Blocking LeBron!
Penalty.
Penalty ref, penalty. Penalty ref. 2 shots by Rance. Sino foul ref?
Si LeBron.
Si LeBron. 2 shots. Rance. Basket.
Ah.
Basket is good for Rance. Uy, mahabol. Apat na lang, sir. Ready up, rep. Ready up. Ready up, rep. Ready up. No substitution. Aiku. Inagis. To Chester. Chester. 8 seconds. 2 minutes and 5
May shot
seconds.
clock na.
Pagpasok ng 2 minutes. LeBron is still by. Hoy! Zoran. Doigo. Foul, Wendell. Foul out, Wendell.
Then number 2. Number 2 ang foul.
Sino? Si Gray pala, si Gray. Si Gray, pasok pa.
Dito. Penalty. Hindi, penalty na parehas.
Parehas, kung sino yung tinawag natin.
Ngayon, kapag-foul ni Gray.
Gray pala yun.
Basket is good. Both team penalty. Both team
Pasok yung isa.
penalty.
Pasok yung isa na, Bill. Oh, pasok.
Aiku. Yung LeBron James. Gray. Rance. To Gray.
Pasok ata yung una.
Last 14 seconds. Ay! Pumasok na rin si Randy.
Pasok yung una ni Aiko.
Pasok ata yun.
Dalawa na lang, sir. Tumigit yung laban. Oh, meron. Last 14 seconds. Magpa-foul pa. Oh, no. Gumaga. Ibon! Randy. Foul! Richin. Chester. Penalty. Ilan na si Chester? Chester! Naku, mukhang tatabla ata.
Hindi pala ako naka-stop ng time.
Naku mo, mag-ano yan.
Ah, hindi, na-stop ka na.
Ito.
Nagre-record naman.
Nash, meron ba itong overtime? 2 minutes.
Gago, pasok.
Pumasok yung isa. Papasok kaya pangalawa? Wala! Pero nandun si Aiku for rebound. Aiku. To Zoren.
Shot clock ah. Shot clock, shot clock.
Pasukin. Last 14 seconds. 15 seconds. 14 play. Four, 3, 2, 1. Basket is good for Zoren. Stop time.
Stop mo.
Wala pa! 3-pointer!
Great. We'll try 3. No good. Rebound. To Randy. Oh no! Natama si Boss Randy. Ay, wala. Shot clock is off. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, Nick. Set mo na yung time check. Running time na.
Ano yung single yung score?
Start na rin sa'yo.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, di ko alam to eh. Basta
Nash. Ano na, para running time na. 20 minutes delay na tayo. Kasi, tangin na. Nasa ganyan ginawa mo. Punta 10:30 kayo matatapos.
kaya nga eh.
Ganda lang ginawa mo, gulaw na. Joke lang.
Nakita kasi. Ito na. I-minus mo na lang yung 7 minutes.